Hello guys and welcome back to our channel, the 360 Printing Tutorial. In this tutorial, I will share with you how to do t-shirt printing using a vinyl sticker. From designing to cutting the vinyl sticker until the proper way of transferring it to the t-shirt. So, for those who want to start a clothing line business, or even to those hobbyists out there, this tutorial is definitely right for you. So without any further ado, let's start our tutorial. First, let's open our Adobe Illustrator. Open an A4 size paper and let's start with our design. Let's make a design that is quite relevant with our current situation. Think positive, stay negative. Quite contrary to each other, but seems a good one for me. Make sure that all the text, lines, and strokes are converted to path and outline. Otherwise, you'll not be able to cut it in our cutting machine. Once done, don't forget to save it and export the file to AutoCAD interchange file. Select the file, and then click Export. Then, select AutoCAD interchange file as Save as Type. Then after that, click Export and then OK. For cutting, we're using a Silhouette Studio software, which is included once you buy a Silhouette Cameo cutting machine. Let's prepare the canvas. And since the Silhouette is using English system instead of metric system, let's check how many inches are 30 cm. Okay, so let's change the width to 11.81 inches or 12 inches. Then, import the DXF file to the library. Select File, Library, then Import to Library. Search the file, then hit OK. I always set the size of my design between 25 cm to 28 cm, or depends on the size of the shirt. Open the file by clicking it twice, then select the whole design and group it. Bring the design on the top of the canvas and put it inside the rectangular border to save more vinyl. Don't forget to mirror the file by selecting the design and select Flip Horizontal. Now that it's ready, let's click the Send button. Since we're using a vinyl, choose Vinyl Matte Material on the drop-down list. It will automatically give you the standard speed and force for the said material. I normally reduce the speed by 1, especially if I'm cutting a smaller text. Then, I just leave the force as it is. Now that it's all set, it's about time to test the settings if it's correct and to make sure that it's working properly before proceeding with the final cutting. Open the machine and insert the vinyl. Make sure that the roller is aligned in this marking so it will grip the vinyl properly. Then, press the test button and try to peel off the vinyl. It works perfectly fine. Now that we're sure about our settings, let's proceed with our cutting. Peel off the vinyl carefully. I'm having some issue with the races of the bulb because it's too small. That's why it's also peeling off. So I decided to make it a little bigger and cut it once again. After this, we need to place it in the same position and fix it using the thermal tape. We are now on the final stage of our procedure. We can also use an ordinary flat iron if it's for personal use only. But if you're planning to start a business, I would recommend you to invest for a heat press machine. For vinyl t-shirt printing, I'm using 180 degree for the heat and 3 to 5 seconds for the time. Once the machine reaches 180 degree, press this t-shirt for a couple of seconds to flatten the shirt. Center your vinyl to the center of the shirt, with 5 cm allowance from the neckline. Press the shirt for 5 seconds, then remove the plastic. Put the plastic back and press it again for another 2 seconds to make sure that the vinyl is properly pasted on the shirt. I hope you learned something new in this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe in this channel for more upcoming and exciting tutorials.